Mukherjee certainly has a lot to be thankful for, but that's not the reason she was spotted this weekend giving thanks. So just what has got Rani so grateful? Well, let's find out.
A svelte new figure, a promising new film, and now Rani Mukherjee has all the more reason to say Dil Bolo Harita. The actress arrived in Shirdi to express her gratitude to the deity after she won legal possession to a disputed plot of land she had invested in.
सिर्फ बाबा को थैंक यू बोलने आई हूँ कि और मुझे इसी बात की खुशी है कि बाबा चाहते थे कि मैं यहाँ आऊँ, मैं यहाँ रहूँ, मैं शिरडी की वासी बनूँ। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आज कि सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से हो गया।
But it's not just her investments in property that have paid off.
I just started enjoying my new fitness and I started enjoying my look because suddenly all the clothes that never look good on you suddenly start looking good on you, and you're like, okay, so I can wear this also. So I think all the excitement just added to me just kind of maintaining it, and I've just enjoyed being a fitness freak.
The actress whose film career went through a rough patch in 2008 is now on a roll, as she's all set to scorch screens in a hot new avatar. So who said a little divine intervention doesn't go a long way?
And staying with Rani Mukherjee, now she's literally the queen of sensational interviews, but here's Rani's most sensational interview yet, spewing fire and brimstone at the media and issuing all media houses a very, very serious challenge.
Leading film magazine says you're getting married in November. You've been married many times. I've been married up many times, and every leading magazine or leading newspaper has been insinuating that I've been getting married for the last 3 years. So they have to decide between themselves what is true, because definitely there must not be any truth to it, because for 3 years they've been trying to get me married off, and the time frame that they gave is 8 months or 9 months, and then 8-9 months have passed, and there have been years that have got past with that. But I think what's good is that these kind of talks make me a little more kind of energetic about my work. Like what I've done is that all this while when they were getting me married off, I've kind of worked on myself, worked on the film, and I've come out with this film. So right now, even if they're marrying me off tomorrow or in another 9 months, I have to just laugh about it, because I feel, okay, this is another thing that they want to start, so let them. Because obviously when I do get married, I think my parents will be very proud to tell that to the world. And I think marriage is a great institution, it's a wonderful thing. And obviously for every girl, she wants to get married and she wants to have babies. So if I do it, I'm going to do it in like informing my friends and family, not by just trying to let the media kind of look for the wedding venues and the wedding dates. That's really not my scene. So till the time they are kind of making this whole tamasha, it's fine. But the only negative to this is that a lot of producers actually believe them. So they feel like, acha, Rani ka bhi shadi kar rahi hai, so probably we'll go to somebody else for work. I think that's the only negative. Otherwise, I kind of just take it off as laughing. But Rani, these rumors of romance have been swirling around you for years, and maybe producers believe it because you've neither affirmed it nor have you denied it. So why don't you just say it's not true? No, because I have said this a couple of times that it's not true, but probably they don't want to believe me. So I've come to a point where I'm tired of either denying it or trying to give a clarification, because they're really not hearing me. Because from last 3 years I've been doing exactly this, and it's still not left me the questions. So I've decided that any more questions regarding me and anybody who's linked with me, I'm going to tell the media, please go and ask the man first, not me. First get a denial or a clarification from the person and then come to me. Well, I'm tired of just either denying it or trying to clarify it. So, but you are denying it. You're saying it's not true. Absolutely. None of the rumors are true. None of the rumors are true.
Well, Rani Mukherjee obviously clearly tired of being linked up. I completely feel her pain and understand where she's coming from. It happens to me all the time. And of course, on Night Out, we always give you a chance